wardrobe for your residence. We are at Designing in Kitchen. We are giving contemporary designs, customized designs as per your requirement. And we have delivered 100 plus wardrobes till now in a month. Also, we are delivering soon as your requirement. Get in touch today if you're having a requirement. Our closet looks good, and we have also been delivering in Delhi NCR. We are the largest manufacturing company. Thank you. And these are the accessories I'm going to show you for the wardrobe internal shelves. And this is one shoe drawer unit. If you see, this is a turnaround shoe rack, and this can accommodate more of your like 20 to 30 like pair of shoes over here. And this is one closet. If you see, this is a complete closet, and this is a fitting which we'll call pull down hanging. So this comes down. Probably we can have this kind of a fitting in the height. Certainly if somebody is having some height issues in the hanging space. And this is one accessory drawer. If you see, this is a we can have that ring, earrings for a female, and then probably we can accommodate our bangles, watches like that, and probably we can also accommodate our belts as well over here. And this is a wicker basket. If somebody is looking for a certain basket like this, we can also offer something like this in the basket. And this comes in a 3 different sizes, which is like 600 mm, 900 mm and 450 mm. So this is another basket we can offer. So this is another basket with a different base onto it. Then this one is a shoe rack. If somebody is looking for a certain shoe rack, we can also accommodate certain shoe rack like this. If somebody wants to have it in the wardrobe itself. Then this one is another pull out hanging, if you see. And this goes really back smooth if there's no noise, if you see over here. And this is another fitting for the accessories like what I just shared earlier. So we can accommodate a belt, different socks and everything over here. Then this is a wicker basket with this kind of a base. And this is a trouser pull out. If somebody wants to have their trouser organized in a certain way, so we can also have certain trouser pull out like this. This is a plain hanging with another pull out hanging like this. Then this is organizer, which we can also have like a lid top of it like this. Then there's a pull out drawers. Then there's a drawer with a glass front on it. Then this is a shoe rack. If somebody is looking for a shoe rack like this, so we can also have. And this comes another like 3 different sizes as you shared. And this is one fitting which is like tie and pull out. This one fitting we can accommodate to have multiple usages things to accommodate in this unit. And this is the same fitting if you see both the sides. Then there's a glass drawer to accommodate. And you can have your ironing board like on it. And this is a trouser pull out, another trouser pull out, and which is like with a small drawers like this. You can probably have certain accessories kept on it. And this is another shoe drawer in the size of 600 mm. Thank you.